More assessments needed before mining can begin in St. Ann and Trelawny, according to NEPA.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, says more work needs to be done on an environmental impact assessment for proposed bauxite mining in parts of St. Ann and Trelawny. Environmentalists have been opposed to mining in the proposed area, saying it will encroach on the delicate Cockpit Country ecosystem. In a statement, NEPA says they have reviewed the draft environmental impact assessment, which was submitted in July. However, the agency says it does not properly comply with the terms of reference. As such, the agency says the report is not ready for widespread circulation, and they have mandated further public consultations. The draft environmental impact assessment was prepared by the consultants Conrad Douglas and Associates. It examines the proposed mining by Noranda Jamaica Bauxite Partners II, the company in which the government of Jamaica is the 51% shareholders, for Special Mining Lease 173 in St. Ann and Trelawny. NEPA says receipt of the draft is only the first step in the review process. This is then followed by wide-scale circulation, public consultation, and a final review. NEPA added that the projected timeline to complete the final review is not possible before December of this year. They are also assuring the public that no mining will be allowed in the disputed area until a decision has been taken by the Natural Resources Conservation Authority and the Town and Country Planning Authority. Well, the proposed September 19th start of mining in the area is currently off the table, it seems. Or is it? Well, time will tell.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.